Hey there, this is teacher Linda G. I've got some more descriptive words for you. For other examples, please check the link above where I shared descriptive words for your coworkers. So here's another descriptive word for you, creative. Creative. A creative coworker possesses a unique and imaginative approach to problem solving and generates innovative ideas. For example, Michael is a creative team member who consistently comes up with fresh solutions to complex challenges. He's very creative. Are you creative? Is that one word you could use to describe yourself during an interview? How about organized? Organized. An organized coworker demonstrates strong planning and prioritization skills, keeping tasks and resources well structured and efficient. Lisa, she's an organized colleague. She maintains a well maintained schedule. She ensures that the projects are completed on time and within a budget. So, are you organized? Would we describe you as an organized team member? All right, one more word for you, adaptable. Adaptable. So, an adaptable coworker is flexible and can easily adjust to changing circumstances or new tasks. They're very versatile in their work. For example, Alex is an adaptable team member who effortlessly transitions between different projects and readily embraces new responsibilities. Are you adaptable? Could you say that about yourself during an interview? This is teacher Linda G. Please stay tuned for more great videos and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video as well. Take care. Bye.